Okay, super quick update for you guys because I was being asked by a number of people for an update. And as you can see, all the track is gone, packed away, disassembled. I've retrieved virtually all of it. One or two pieces I couldn't retrieve, but by and large it's all retrieved and saved, cleaned up and packed away and saved for the next layout. This is all going to get disassembled and moved to a different location. That's the sad news. The good news is that I will be building another layout, and it will be in a purpose-built room. So loads and loads of videos you've seen over time with all the junk lying around and all that, it's only going to be train junk lying around. So that's the plan anyway. In fact, where we're stood now is going to be a gym for my wife. And then this layout is going to be changed dramatically and moved. It's basically going to go from that wall all the way past where those shelves are, all the way to just the other side of that TV. And it's going to come out about 2.5 meters to about there. Straight back to that pillar just to the left of it. Extend further for about 1 meter, sort of level with that board there, and then head in and then along. And so this section here is going to be quite long and thin, and then the section the other side of that shelving is going to be sort of about 2.5 to 3 meters wide, depending on what section of the layout you're looking at. So I will be reusing most of this bench work. It's going to be much longer and thinner because there's going to be sections where I can't have it coming out 60 centimeters and 1 meter and all this kind of stuff. It will be completely different, but I've already started working on the plans, and I'm quite excited and energized about it. So that's it really. So not a lot to show you, just the usual mess minus the track. And I did an inventory of all my track and all my locomotives and rolling stock, and it's outrageous really. I suppose lessons learned from this layout was, I think for a first one I was a little bit too ambitious. So, but I think the second one it'll still be double-decker, but it'll be a lot more manageable, and I'm just looking forward to getting into it. And the really cool thing, of course, is it's going to be in a purpose-built room. We're going to be putting up walls in the garage and dividers and things, and so it will be a purpose-built train room. So whether I keep that helix or I choose a new helix, I don't know. But that's about it for now. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. God knows when I'll have another update, because I've got a lot of work to do, as you can see. I've got to get rid of most of this junk or move it over there, out the way, because there'll still be some storage over there. But like I say, it won't be in the layout room. It'll be it'll be the other side of the layout room, and the layout will be in a purpose-built space. So that's the exciting part. Anyway, you guys take care. Hope you're enjoying your model railroading, and see you next time, whenever that will be.